So next routine you need to teach your client is how to park the car properly on the left. Obviously, when they're gonna become better, they're gonna be parking on the right as well. That's what we do. That's a maneuver. So parking on the left, we use 3 words routine. What is called?
Sorry, what was that? Signal, uh, signal, mirror, maneuver. S SM.
Tell me. So before you need to park,
Yeah.
if you're driving your own car and you need to park on the left, what is the first thing you normally do?
I will check my left mirror.
So
Mirror.
mirror is always in a pair, so center and the left mirror.
Yes.
So you check your mirrors first. You don't signal first, do you?
No.
Why are you checking your mirrors?
So in case something is coming from the back or from the left, so I don't want to give signal and scare them, and they can
Yeah.
have a
And
collision.
what type of road users can come from there?
Cyclists, motorcyclists, you know, walking people,
Yeah. So you check your
pedestrians.
mirrors, and then what you do after the mirrors?
I check mirrors and then check safe to park. where
No,
I'm
after the mirrors, what do you do after the mirrors instantly? If you
give
say if
signal.
you're safe, what would you do?
Signal.
You signal. So you signal down
Yes.
for the left, and after that,
Brake.
so what is 3 words we're looking at? MS
MS. Sorry, was the MSM
M. So M means,
maneuver.
and then you start moving or maneuvering. Okay. So let's do this way. So you have demonstrated me
Right.
on my request. So you have shown me how to do MSM routine.
Right.
You're going to tell me, okay, Raja, so we're going to park up on the left. So I would like to take your center mirror, the left mirror, signal down, make sure if you're safe.
पहले left देखना है,
start.
फिर mirror देखना है,
No,
mirror.
it's center
So
is
central
always center
and
and
then
then
left.
left. Center and the right, center and the left. The only time we check left or right or center right if you're moving away from there. If your car park on the right side, then you check your right, center and the left because the danger coming from the left basically. But if you're parking on the right, or if you're turning to the right, or if you're changing your direction, then center and the right mirror. If you're turning left,
Center
if
and
you're
the
changing your direction to the left, center and left as well. Okay, or you're parking on the left. You say, okay, Raja, check your center and the left mirror, signal down, start positioning towards the left, and you can do that. Okay, it's very important that when you are making them park on the left, if they're going to do whatever you tell them. So if you're going to ask them check your center and left mirror, they will check your center and left mirror. Signal down, they will signal down. Now if you're going to tell them to brake, they're going to press a brake. So you could say, okay, Raja, now I would like you to press gradually and progressively, pressing a brake, 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 until when I say to you stop, then you stop. It's very important that you make it clear. Braking means you're slowing down. Stopping means completely stop. Because a lot of people, when they don't realize, on the brake they just stop the car basically.
Yeah.
So
wherever you say stop, brake, they will stop.
Brake, yeah. So brake means, okay, Raja, keep pressing a brake gently and gradually. We are just slowing down. We're not stopping. Keep rolling, keep rolling. Now you got a good position. Stop the car gently, please, homie. That's how it's very important. So I'm gonna move up from here. So I'm going to do the palm routine, and then you're going to help me on parking on the left using MSM routine. Okay. Right. So prepare. So I'm going to the drive. Right. Left mirror, center mirror, the right mirror.
Blind spot.
No, signal to the right. So you see, if I check my blind spot check,
and then give signal,
and if I signal on the last minute, what is the risk that might be involved?
So that in that time something can come.
Yes, like look, there's a lorry. What if there's any cyclist coming?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's better you check your mirrors,
give
signal,
check blind spots,
and if it's safer, then you can move. Okay, right.
Right, Raja, we're stopping on the left.
So let's make me park up over there.
When it's safe.
Yeah.
So you're staying on the left side and check your central mirror.
Yeah.
Check your left mirror.
Yeah.
And gently press the brake and go to the left. Gently press the brake and you're stopping. Is that better, or should I have said something else? So
I stop. I'm still in the role play.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So is that okay?
You need to go more to the left and gently.
Right, coming off the role play there.
Okay.
So what I just did with you, when I'm in a role play, you have to treat me like a learner.
Right.
So what happened there? I took my feet off the brake and started rolling.
Yeah.
Did you do any safety checks, or did I ask you to do any safety checks? I just made the car roll.
No, I didn't.
That don't do that. Easily done. Now, when you asked me to check my mirrors, center and left, I did. Correct. Then you told me to start positioning.
Go towards left.
So we went M and M. So mirrors and maneuver. We miss S.
Signal.
Did we signal?
No,
Did you ask me to signal?
no.
So what is the risk you have taken then?
I think I have said like check left mirror and give signal, but you didn't.
You didn't tell me
I
about
didn't
the
tell
signal.
it. Okay, I missed it then.
And if you do say signal, which signal? How can I? Maybe I don't know. Maybe I'm doing first time. So
Yeah.
if you tell me Raja signal, even though we're turning left, I signal right.
Try.
So my say, okay Raja, signal down for the left. For the complete novice, the more clear instructions you give is better for your client.